Okay, let's dive into how a legacy industry is facing a massive technological revolution. For the heat treating industry, this isn't some far off future. It's happening right now. You could say the whole sector is at a crossroads, facing this perfect storm of new pressures. First up, there's automation. It's completely reshaping operations from the ground up. And then you have AI. It's not just theory anymore, it's a powerful tool. Plus, the workforce is changing, bringing totally new expectations and a different type of culture. All of this makes 2026 a huge turning point on the road to 2030. Industry leaders aren't calling it business as usual. For them, it's a call to action. And the risk here is real. Doing nothing now could mean getting left behind. So, in response, an industry meeting is being framed as an actionable toolkit for this exact challenge. And inside this toolkit, you've got sessions on AI, culture, robotics, all the big stuff. What's really interesting is the focus here. It's not about theory, it's about real tools. These sessions are designed to solve the biggest problems that companies are actually facing. But a toolkit like this isn't just about information. It's about people. This is where you meet key people, share challenges, and build actual partnerships. We're talking about the industry's most influential owners, executives, and its rising stars. When you get right down to it, this is all framed as an investment in your future. It's like 2026 is the launch pad for integrating new ideas and really leading the industry by 2030. Which kind of leaves every business leader with one big question to think about, right?